right, the arrivals have slowed down. A couple things I want to say. First of all, I will be closing those past quizzes again sometime this day. So you should take advantage of your opportunity and make up any missed quizzes. If you have any missed quizzes, you should do that as quickly as you can. Yesterday's PFG, you all did pretty well. I did want to take a minute. I got to think about this. I guess I'm not 100% sure if everyone has yesterday's PFG done. I would like to go over it, but I don't know if I want to do it quite yet. I might do it tomorrow. Most of you did fairly well. Several of you made a mistake near the end. And again, I would go over that. But I need to double check. I guess, let's see. I guess I can double check that fairly quickly, I think. If I can get my stuff out of the way. Oh, come on. Stuff's in the way. Stuff you can't see is in the way. At least I hope you can't see it. So let's see. Seems like this is. All right, well, something's goofy. So, I think what I'm going to do is this PFG was supposed to be done yesterday at 3 or 4 o'clock, somewhere in there. So if you have it done and not submitted, you should submit it right now, because I'm going to do it. And after this point, I won't take it. Sorry for the delay, the dragginess right here. All right. So here is yesterday's. Wait a minute. Says Rob is here twice. I don't get that. All right, here's yesterday's. You can take out your work from yesterday and double check, make sure that you got it right, or if you didn't, see what you did wrong. If you turned anything in, now listen, if you turn anything in on these PFGs that you have to do by yourself, if you turn anything in, you get part credit. If you turn in something that's done, even if it's wrong, you're going to get most credit. I think of the people I've recorded so far, and I recorded, I think, everyone who had turned it in by 4 o'clock yesterday. I think the worst anyone did was maybe 18 out of 20, maybe 17 out of 20. So, get it done, turn it in. It's not going to kill your grade, even if it's wrong. So I'm not going to take time to explain this. I'm just going to go through it really quick and you can double check your work. -1, -2, +1, 0, -1. That means that iodine goes up. So iodine is oxidized. Chlorine goes down. So chlorine is reduced. So the half reaction would be I -1, I2, I also 0, and Cl +1 and Cl -1. All right, so then the next step, there's two I's here, but only one on the left, so we'll add a coefficient. Now we will balance the charges. So 2 times 1 times -1 is -2. 1 times 2 times 0 is 0. So we need +2 electrons here. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 times 1 times -1 is -1. So we would need 2 electrons here. And our electrons already cancel. They're already 2 and 2. So the recombining the half reactions, it is, whoops, went too far, I can't see it. It is 2I, or not 2I, that is the question, plus Cl +1, arrow I2 plus Cl -1. Yes, there is more stuff, oxygen specifically. So get the original equation down here. So we have a coefficient of 2 right here. And then there's no other redox. Like usual, we don't do H. Balance charges by adding hydrogen. So this is 2 times -1 is -2. And 1 times -1 is -1. So this side adds up to -3. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times -1 is -1, so this side adds up to -1. So to make these equal, we need +2. So that means we have +2H plus. Now we have to have water. It takes 1 H2O to get 2 hydrogens. Now let's add up our oxygens to see if we match. On the left, we've got just that 1 oxygen. And on the right, we've just got the 1 oxygen. So that's correct. That's done right. So that's just in case you made a mistake, so that you can hopefully see where you made a mistake. Today's PFG, and I don't know how many of you actually download the page from LMS. It's fine. It's right there in front of you on the screen if you need it. But if you're in Chem B, I was having a terrible, terrible time getting LMS to copy it over to you, and it only recently showed up. I had to close some open window was interfering. I closed every window and reopened and it worked. All right. You will notice that I failed to make one change from yesterday. I had to add that line yesterday, and it does not apply today because there is no chlorine in that equation. So here is today's PFG. Like yesterday, do it yourself. No, group text or single text or whatever, do it yourself. Don't worry if you turn in something that's finished. As I said, you'll get most credit, whether it is right or not. And if you turn in anything, you'll get some credit. So go ahead and do that. Like yesterday, you can log on and off as you need to. You can stay on. I will work on other stuff while you ask questions if you have them. Otherwise, get busy.